All right, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, welcome back. So this morning we are going to go through a reaction video of Nwayi Ocha is a Nago. As you can see on the title, I called her Pandemic because many of you know what she can offer. Somebody who can never ever produce anything positive. Everything about her is negative. Remember, I don't have any personal problem with her. She's not my enemy. She's not my friend. But truth be told, she cannot offer anything positive in this issue of freedom or anything that concerns her people. She believes that everything must go through her, and once that thing is being restricted, she can do and undo. She believes that she must be in helm of affair of everything that goes or everything that comes or go out. That is why I call that pandemic, because she can pollute, she can influence, she can resist anything good and chase away people that can actually offer something good. That's why she attacked everybody and she attacked even herself. Somebody who cannot even remember what she said, a couple of minutes ago, and she don't even mind to swear that she never said something like that. This video may go somehow, but I will try my best to minimize the minutes. And please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Follow us, and I want you to also put a comment. Let me hear from you, because I do read comments. To be honest with you, I do. If I don't reply your own, that does not mean that I don't read it. But I reply everybody. But I always have my time to go through some of these, not some of all of these comments, and react on some of them. Now, let's start. Now, the video before you now is Nwayi Ocha responding and reacting to video that Ugo 247 made. She decided to go all out to attack Ugo 247. As always, she attacked everybody. What Ugo said here, some people say it's controversial. Some people say it doesn't matter. But Ugo himself knows what he intended to say. But I'm not here to analyze what Ugo said. But for you to see, when I said that this woman is a pandemic, so some people say, why are you calling her pandemic? That it doesn't suit. I know why. I know why I said so. Because only pandemic can make everybody stand still. You have not been contaminated. But for the fact that there's something like that going on, you will be forced to pause, to watch your back, to know what is going on before you can now move forward. That is why I called her pandemic. Nothing more. But some of you may have, like I said, you have rights to your own opinion. You have right, of course. But here, we tend to bring it the way it's supposed to be. Now, having said that, please give me your ear. Hear this from Nwayi.
Government. I don't contract with the Nigerian government to make sure that why you need to know about to be put in place in put in place now. Now they get this rubbish in there. Why we go with them in the pie? If you wish them in the pie finish, you stand for. These are the people. If anybody where they stand up behind you, where they support you yesterday, today, you not support you again, you wish I make it by. Tomorrow, another person go stand, you wish I make who go stand. You see? You see this criminal called Ugo 247. Look at this terrorist called Ugo 247. Look at it on you. Just imagine what this man is saying. If they leave that message dilate on our walk, join your name the wish liver on or Biafras. Now you'll be okay, take a good
bad person always bad finger that fed him. A bad people, like bad individual, bad person, always bite the finger that is feeds him. That finger that feeds you, that feed the person, that's what the person will end up biting. Ugo have done a very good thing for this woman, putting her through in how to arrange or how to set up StreamYard and all these things. She don't need someone who cannot even restart her phone. She don't even know how to understand her phone. Ugo is the one that actually put her through. She may love to deny it. She may claim, oh, is Ajere. Even Ajere himself went through Ugo. People don't know this, but we do. Now, you are talking about Ugo and you say that he's a terrorist. In terms of what? Maybe you may claim that you are not, you don't know the definition of terrorism or terrorist, but ignorance is not an excuse for you to use that, for you to make an attempt to use that in making a sentence, have made you, you have faulted yourself, because that simply means that you know what you're doing. That's exactly what it is. Now, Ugo is here trying to condemn people that are attacking Butozo. Ugo is here trying to call it out and reject them and condemn it, that you don't need to call for their head. I have said it here that you don't need to do that. Though, as you are doing that, we also need to condemn Biafra Liberation Army personnel that choose to say similar thing by saying that I ban you from entering Biafra land. If you are seeing Biafra land, you will be eliminated and all that nonsense. You don't need to do that. The truth is that you must not have everybody on board to fight for your freedom. It has never happened in the world, and it's not going to happen. Israel did. They encountered, people from people that would have different agenda, different belief, people who have their own way thinking that this is the best way for us to, get our freedom. They have that they know. Do you understand? They know. Now, I want you to pay close attention here, because when you watch her, you just pay attention to her body language, her facial expression. You may think that this woman is just on what she's doing. Call her today. She made the broadcast yesterday. Call her today and ask her, okay, look at what you said. She will tell you why. No, on social media. But on the commit all this nonsense. Listen again.
Of them. That's the Nigerian government commander in chief of
this woman is one of the worst things that happened to any freedom movement, any freedom group at all. Like, not even Biafra here. One of the worst, if not the only, if not the most baddest thing, if there's anything like that. You understand? But understand what I'm trying to say. This very woman have a way of dishing that lie, and the lie will penetrate into your bone marrow, like as if that is true. If you don't know how to think for yourself, it gave me Mirinagawaya. Reason why we talk about her is to wipe or sanitize your subconsciousness, your brain, your memory, your mind, everything to be in order, to be in a good shape. Because this woman is a pandemic. Once she penetrates you, you are gone. What do I mean by that? Not that she has power, but when you allow yourself when you are moving empty, you refuse to equip yourself with good information, the reality on ground. This noise polluters or noise pollution coming out from this vessel, because I cannot regard her as a human being, to be honest with you. She is instrument of falsehood. She will put that dust, she will send that pollution in your brain, your mind, and your system, and you ended up being corrupt, because she will feed you with every nonsensical thing available. Can you hear what she said? That Makeup keep on calling out people that are attacking them. Ebubago, the Nigerian army, and all that. She's not asking you who is chief commander of Ebubago. Look at this woman. Look at why. Look at you are here claiming publicly, because sometimes people see you as a comedian, you're just a joker. You are just a joker. That it doesn't go. You are not supposed to be. Nobody need to pay attention on you. But our people are moving empty. Many of us are moving empty without keeping themselves, in check to make sure they have necessary information that they need to know for them to survive in this chaotic environment that everybody is now, because it's very chaotic. You see somebody, a grown-up man that have received series of bribe on camera, beginning to dish out lie, pretending that he or she knows what is good for you. And if you actually dive into that and believe that these guys they're getting it right, this is people that you need to listen to, you end up feeding food that meant for your enemy, because they are not going to feed you with anything positive. You will equip yourself with falsehood, allegation, blackmail, name it. Lies from pit of hell. COS is not chief commander of Ebubago. And they're saying this as if Ebubago just started. That is, Ebubago was not here before. Ebubago had been resistant from the time of Mazaman after launching ESN, Southeast governors, both current and past. The current that I can tell you is Ocha, that's all. When they form Ebubago, Soludo have not emerged as a governor of Anambra State. Peter Mbano, somebody the one of Ebonyi, no, not at all. Is it the Abraham Lesotho? No. The only person that formed the Ebubago then, that is part and parcel of that, is Hope Uzodinma. And Hope Uzodinma is still in government lodge, or as a governor of Imo State as we speak. Meaning that this is a way of telling you how long Ebubago have been in existence. So CS of just yesterday is now the one commanding Ebubago and all that nonsense. And some of you actually buying into that because you are accomplished. You are one of the problem as well. Why must you allow yourself to become a problem? Why? Anyway, let's continue. Just pay attention. Yes, that COS said, "Nya social media. No, you have chief of Ebubago." There's nothing like. Look at her face. Can somebody just wake and I can just get it from a conversion? I can just wouldn't be the gate good from Nkulupo. Look at her eyeball. You can see the eye. Like a dog has special child or dog. You know what the thing with Ibu Donia, a boss and I perform Hoffman. Look at Ibu Donia. Oh, and she from Peter. There's no way. Nobody in this movement, not even from the US, have come out publicly and claimed that I'm the chief of Ebubago. It has never happened. It has not happened. And she's saying it publicly just to undermine that you're a human being with your brain. Insulting you technically. And you're a grown-up man, you are clapping and why are you at the evil people everywhere. You must not be a fan or a lover of CS to say the truth. Do you understand? You may have one or two things, differences between her and what you think that is right to do. But this idea of lying on everything because you want to bring her down, should be condemned by everybody that have his or her brain intact. Look at that. She told you that she's a commander of a Bible. No, that thing is not. It doesn't exist. Now listen.
This criminal, I'm not bad. Now I just say the great. When you said you leave message direct, about to save life of these guys. Yeah, because you stop. But when you have media years on years on our go create about the plan they get in a corner. Television. Come on, man, you know to put a what can they go too fast and jam or let Harry? What do you mean? Each wire home, away the other. Why
You know, ahịa maka ọ na-azụ, ị na-aghọta ahịa maka ị gara ahịa somebody na kpọrọ na achọrọ m ikwu maka her dressing. I don't want to go there because inekwe na ebe a sị na okwu nke o ji ojide ndị nwe ya everything tikapụrụ ebe a na a woman that because you always go back to your profession. No, I'm a it's is it funny? It's not funny. After lying, dishing out lies, is he a criminal, a terrorist? No proof, nothing. You can know that. This is the reason why somebody actually called me on my our program last time and started demanding addresses of these people. And honestly, if I have address of anybody, I'm not gonna give because it doesn't worth it. We need to start learning how to endure, how to maintain orderliness. Don't take law into your hand. That's how to build a good society. Some of us live in a very good society, a good country that know what the rule of law is. How can you? And that's one thing about our people, black people per se. Black people in general. If you travel to London, for example, a child of 18 years may insult a boy a man of your type or a boy. We insult you and may probably lay hand on you. You will start looking for evidence immediately before you can retaliate. Some of us, but in Africa, the same age of that boy may not even greet you. Don't you know how to greet elders? Do you understand? But in abroad, you know what to do. So we should also learn how to live the same lifestyle that we live in abroad everywhere we go, to be example of what we think that we should be. Going back to what this one is talking about, we'll go 247 did not say anything bad here. Okay, maybe the way he put the message, you may fault him on that, but it doesn't want somebody calling all these names and lying.
Enough is enough. Stop what you boomers by with your criminal terrorist gang group. Look at him.
There's no why you such a name, Mama Dollar. There's any name, Mama. One that shall never end. Anyway, let's continue.
Rubbish. Now I get this nonsense, isn't it? The reason. As for Butuso is, I don't know whether it's the reason like human being at all. How can you Butuso come out and maybe send the helicopter or some fighter jet? Since come back and I buy a bubble. Look at him. But the Senanya and this idiot, if a lady put up instead, this idiot you think it wise.
Oh, yeah, because somebody believe that cut and join edited video of Sia and Biafra Unite. There's no way, because the only person that I've seen that shared that on social media is Sia. The first person is Sia. At that early stage, he's the one that shared it. So probably the source of the video is from him or probably from Biafra Unite. So what are you talking about? That audio, after I shared it for the first time, I made a video and reacted on that. After my reaction, first reaction, somebody called my attention and said, "Look, I listen to that in the again because it's got and join." And it's someone that I don't need to doubt. She knows herself. She's not in the Biafra. No, she's not in the in the USB government. Not at all. She's just a follower on this platform. One of those that always contact me. She don't join me on live stream. I'm just giving you so that you may say, "Oh, you know the person." You cannot guess this one. Not at all. You can't, because nobody. She reached out to me and called me and said, "Look, listen to this part. Look at this." Then when I go back again, I say, "What is wrong with me?" that I should have known by now, because everything about that audio is fake, cut and join. One thing that should let you know that that audio, the audio we're talking about, is where Butozo said that sharing, which is not Butozo though, that like greeting to Simon PM. Then after that, after Karina we say their fighter jet, and at the bomb, cable to carry at the bomb. That thing has nothing to do with US. It is almost 3 or 4 different events. Cut and join. Like now, I can make this woman now to say that she is a terrorist. You know, she always say terrorist, right? I can make her, but pick her voice, watch her videos, pick the part that will suit the narrative. Ebo wiki moabo adande bra negede cut of that side to one side. It should even replace the bow a terrorist. Now cut bow a terrorist. Cut that journal to moabo a terrorist. If you're not, after that, then I will just run it and bring it out. When you play together, you hear moabo adande bra negede bow a terrorist. That's exactly what they did. That's exactly, you know, many of you need to, that when you hear doctor video, that's what it is. Cut and jump to make it look like everything is washed, like that thing is real. But different message, different opinion come together and look like real. If they can go down to do this kind of cut and join, they can do anything to deceive you. And I'll leave it here.
Because one are silent, which is not good for them. They need to speak up. Let them talk. No matter what is going on, because keeping quiet.
This idea of believing that somebody will come and say something and that will stop funding and then is not true. That's number one, not true. And I know I'm receiving some message, some information that these people are not actually relying on fundraising. But I have to take permission from the source of this message, this information, before I will not bring it fully for you to know the game that is going on. Even if they don't know this. I don't think they know. There's something going on behind the scene that 85% of everybody here don't know. And people that know, you see, Eggman, Nwayi, Ocha, Remaining Jews, Biafra Unite, Imam Madabo, Chobo Koma, Ruby Nabi, this class of people, they know what I'm talking. They know this, they have this intent. People in USB cabinets, many of them know, but I don't think all. They know. But before we bring it out, I have to make sure that the thing don't write well before we bring it out. But so you know, for our Kamawamaya make it fundraising, secret fundraising, hidden fundraising, underground fundraising is bash. This is foul, babash. They know what they're doing, and there's something like I told you, cooking. But that is a story for another day. It's a story for another day. So when you hear her bagging, if you tell her that your fundraising is not uniform, they are laughing. It's not actually getting to them, because I watch many content creators. Although some of us say that we are not content creators, I am. But to me, you are content creator. So whatever you want to call yourself, it's up to you. So I have watched some content creators saying that this your fundraising, you go nowhere. My brothers and sisters, they are not actually relying on that fundraising, and I will leave it here. So let's continue.
It's not good for them. They sacrifice for us. And we want to buy a dear friends, what happened to the Gurufano? Even we want this in the Badezinaya and one. Every young madam deny it. Mua won't you cook the yellow. And this is your time can see with the information. But what idea can see with the information? I'm going to see an enemy. But what I know everywhere. And the Patapano, nobody can lie to Biafra. Nobody can deceive Biafra. Never. I would have done them and taken it on. Because I'm not everywhere. I don't have a wafer. Why 1 year? Illiterate. Anna Soibo, Emma Ibama, Ama Ibaso,
The reason why you are bragging is actually the fault of USB. They still harbor some saboteurs. Some of these people in USB are certified saboteurs. Just you have them in Ogegreka, but I want to focus on USB because that's where Biafra actually invest that, they're investing their trust and belief and hope. You have some of these people in USB. I don't want to say women or men. Anybody can be a saboteur. But today in USB, they have saboteurs. In the army of USB, not even those of people. Maybe there are also other saboteurs, but I don't know. I don't care about that. But you understand what I'm talking about. The army they call the right tag and the barefooted army and all that. These people still have saboteurs in their midst. You remember on 30th of May, this one played Biafran Liberation Army under USB March Pass before the event that took place in Washington. She played some of the videos. You remember? Who leaked it out? Today, we have not seen any action from USB pertaining that. Oya Bakamaya Waya. She had people that somehow stay in contact with her. And you cannot stop it too. That one you can't stop it. But the only thing I want us to know, there's something you can do to stop it. I think to limit it. To put them in check. That's what you need to do about that. I'm not gonna go there though. This woman bragging about none everywhere. Okay, gonna claim the same thing. None of everywhere. So she forgot that even in her camp, I'm not there. Because like I told you about their fundraising, their source of income and everything, that people know. If you break it down now, she will give the body one now. I'm telling you honestly. If you're going to talk about it, I'll give the body one. I don't know so too. So it's allowed. But the issue is that your ability to limit it. Limitation is what you can do, but not because the human heart is mysterious. It's a quite mystery. It's not something that you cannot you can just look at as okay. I have seen your face. I know what you will do in next hour. It doesn't work that way. It doesn't work that way. I honestly, I want to end this live broadcast now, this video rather, but I have not finished it, to be honest with you. So just bear with me and make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel in case if you are watching to this far, you are a darling. Please like the video, okay, and comment. Let us hear from you. Very, very important. Now listen.
Instead, this rubbish. Suspension.
Another lie. You go is not under suspension. Okay? And if you think he is, please prove it. Last time I checked, he is not. Then I will let you know be suspension. This is evil. This woman is evil. Look at her face. The image suspension. You look at them.
Listen to yourself. Makana Biafra Unite and that Dorama is engineering you because they want to make money. But also, how long are you going to continue in all this useless dragging you here, dragging your name here, dragging your name there? How long have you been inside that bush? And somebody is still turning your brain upside down. I forget boss ya. I don't even understand because I went to follow.
Of course, followers. I'll say you with the ego. Followers.
I went here, Joker. Atro. I do followers.
She did not mention followers. Your brain is very, very low. That if you want to raise money from that, that's what he said. And you don't even know how to respond to that because he just nailed it. Only to get one, I forgot. I was even actually expecting her to debunk it. No, it's not for money. No, we are just, that kind of thing. But once we go release that bomb, that statement disorganized her immediately. She couldn't even remember what he just said. That those are not on your brain. That I don't know man definitely they're just trying to make money. That's what he said. Osnana not the followers. Okay, if mine then they married. Anyway, let's move to another thing. There's something I want to say before we end this video. Many of you know what this woman have done, how she supported USB at the beginning, then she moved from USB to fall back after claiming that she received call and all that. She actually tried her best to find herself in position under USB. She couldn't. She wanted to go to United States of America during the time of Trump inauguration. She couldn't. Then she now moved from that to Four Deep Republic. Four Deep Republic is what they are now. So everything that this woman have done, what she have said, is all controversial. And she said that the video what you're about to listen to is a part where she claimed that she don't go back to her vomit. This will tell you when I said that she don't even remember what she said, what she just said, like in a couple of minutes ago, she won't remember that. She will say something now and call her back and say, did you say this? She can't remember it because her mouth is just like, it doesn't have any restriction. She move her tongues anyhow, produce sound, noise, pollution. Always polluting everybody's ear, our hearing and everything. She's good at that. So listen to this video. Just pay attention.
From the beginning, that call I'm going to go today. I want somebody now won't go but I didn't name go. Man, before then, I want to show you people something. That I'm ready to destroy. I don't give it down.
Oh. Now, please, is it true that this woman don't go back to her vomit? That she's not that let's go back. We used to hear that, but practically, this is the only person in my entire life. I used to hear people going back to their vomit, but this woman she's the only. This is my first time of seeing that in real life, like somebody who going back to your vomit in practical terms is this woman's character. Look at it again. Just listen. Pay attention.
From the beginning, that call change. That call from the beginning, that call I'm going to go today. I want somebody now won't go but I didn't name go.
Oh.
Man, before then, what eventually go soon.
Please, is it true? And the little you know this woman, is it true? Is that true? Yeah, she don't go back to her vomit. No. Is it true? Let me know in your comment section. Let me know in the comment section because I want to read from you. God bless you, my people. We have come to an end. The video is getting too long. That we have not finished it, to be honest with you, but let me end it here. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Tell me what you think about all we've discussed so far. See you again.